here is your list of the top 5 billiard ball sets of 2018. Starting off at number 5 from Empire USA, their deluxe pool ball set. The Empire Billiard set is made of high-grade poly resin. Each ball is calibrated and polished. And coming in at number 4 from Felson Billiards. This is their classically designed standard size billiard ball set. This is a very affordable and all-around good set. And coming in at number 3 is Viper Billiards Master Regulation Size Billiard Set. Viper Master Set is produced with exacting tolerances to ensure consistency in each and every ball. And coming in at number 2 is Aramith Crown Standard Set. Aramith is the number 1 name in billiards. Aramith Crown Standard billiard balls are crafted from the highest quality phenolic resin, providing exceptional scratch and impact resistance. Phenolic resin is proven to last up to 5 times longer than balls made of polymers or polyester. And coming in at number 1 is Aramith with their 2 1/4 inch regulation size premium billiard ball set. This Aramith premium billiard ball set utilizes Virtuotech technology. A heat curing process fully stabilizes material tensions. It produces a high density surface that offers maximum impact resistance. If you're interested in purchasing any of the billiard ball sets that you just seen in this video, please look in the description box below. There'll be a link to each set